We got some Tokyo treats. Let's do an unboxing and taste test together. I saw so many ads of these online and I was like really curious to try it. We got the Valentine's Day box. It came in a bit late, but that's okay. Let's have a look. They've got the catalogue here. And a cute little message from the CEO. The goodies. I feel like this is good value. I mean, it's like 70 Aussie dollars. It was in US dollars. I don't know if it's from like straight out of Japan or if it's from the US, but yeah, considering it's overseas, it's not bad. This one, I love these. These are like gummy, kind of like chewy fruits.
Yeah, she eats so much of these gummies, man.
I'm addicted.
And there is this sweet pie.
I think this is chocolate. Not their chocolate.
There's this small chocolate biscuit.
Doraemon. I think it's like a biscuit.
It's like a savory snack.
Oh. Biscuits.
These are like crackers.
I think these are noodles.
Oh damn.
Okay, ramen. We won't be trying that today, but we'll try it some other time.
Whistle lolly.
It's like little heart-shaped lollies.
A bag of chips.
Kit Kat strawberry cheesecake. That actually was quite a decent amount of stuff. Let's start tasting. Which one do you want to try first? There's actually so many.
Should we do like a lucky dip?
Lucky dip.
Yeah. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes and
Pick one thing. We gotta try that one.
yeah, maybe not this one. Oh,
That
okay.
one is a chip,
It's like a potato chip thing.
like a cracker.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh.
Whoa. It's very heavy on the seaweed flavor.
Like, they have meat snacks like this, but not as crazy in flavor. I think it's okay. Oh, it's got like a fishy aftertaste. Yeah, this one's like not my thing. Did you like it?
I feel like it was a bit too heavy in flavor, but a bit dense.
Yeah, a bit fishy for me. I would rate it like a 4 out of 10. What about you?
Maybe like a 5. It's okay. It's not the best, but it's not the worst.
Yeah. And she just said, whatever I don't like, it goes to her boyfriend. Pick the next one.
Alright.
Close your eyes, mate.
Another chip one.
Oh, it looks like the prawn chips. Like the Veet prawn chips. Why does that taste like curry? Oh,
is
aji
curry.
curry. That makes sense.
This one's better than the last one, but I'm not too fond of it.
Yeah, I feel like you eat it, it hits you with the curry taste, but then like the aftertaste tastes like cardboard. There's like no flavour after that.
We're gonna get cancelled. I'm gonna be like, yo, what are these reviews, bro?
We eat this one because we know we're probably gonna like this one. Yeah, we're not trying to be negative, I just did not expect that. This one I have to give it a good review. Like, I just know I will, so yes! I was saying on TikTok that the size of the lollies or whatever you're buying should be like similar or the same. Okay, pretty accurate.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try.
Cheers.
It's not bad. I think the other one we had like sugar on top.
But these ones are a lot more softer, so it depends what you like more.
Would it? So we're gonna try the pie. pie is it? I don't know.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato pie. That's interesting.
I can't do it.
Ah! Oh yeah. What the hell? Oh, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
The sweet potato flavor is very in there because they use like the filling for it.
It's not bad though.
That's something you can get sick of quickly.
It's like these little cookies, biscuit thingies. Oh, it's got like little chocolate pieces or something on it. It's like a milky. I don't know what it smells like. Is it just me, or like the more you bite on it, the flavour changes? It starts off as a bit salty, then it becomes sweet. And a bit creamy. I don't know how I feel about that. It's not bad.
Black pepper.
Ah. How do you feel about it?
I actually like it.
Yes, it's interesting. Doraemon.
Alright, you bite.
What the? Why does it look so funny? Is it just like one big chip?
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's like I go to the 7-Eleven to buy one big fat chip. I think it's like a cheesy flavour.
You like it?
I'm trying to process how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about it yet.
It's like a sweet cheese.
Yeah, it's like different. I don't know how to like describe it.
I feel like it's quite addicting to have. Popcorn.
Popcorn. Okay, you get one or a few. She's sweet.
She's strong.
Yeah.
It's not as sweet as other caramel popcorn I've had.
I feel like it's okay. I'm not really a popcorn type of gal. But considering that I don't like popcorn, that's not bad.
Chocolate pie cookie thing, I think it's it.
Chocolate pie?
It did say
Like a biscuit, isn't it?
pie choco.
Like that, I guess it's a pie.
You want half?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, no.
Oh, she melted.
It's oozing! Okay. I like the flakiness, but just a little bit too dry.
I can't tell if it's because it's imported. But
So yeah, some of these, like the candy, was a bit like soft, too soft and chewy. But I don't know if it's because like we had to wait for it. Strawberry cheesecake. Oh, I think it's melted.
no.
Oh my gosh, it's like mushy. It's like bits and pieces of bread cake. Oh girl. That's a bit too sweet for me.
It's really strong in the strawberry flavor, but it works well for Valentine's.
I like sweet things, but I think that was too sweet for me. I'm weak. Candy, the heart candy.
Strawberry candy.
Oh, yeah! No! Ew.
I don't know about that.
Oh, it's brother. Ew, it's yeah. That one goes in the bin.
It was going to be like individual hearts.
And now it's
Now it's
this. Yeah, that's gotta go. That's
chocolate.
hey, it's one block still. It retained.
Mixed in it.
Oh, it's a bit ewy gooey. Okay. Oh, it's melting in my finger, bro.
What the F?
Well, I don't know if it tastes weird because it tastes weird or if it tastes weird because it's melted and stuff. Yeah, no, that one tastes a bit too coffee-like. That was not it. I'm gonna share this one. It's like a lollipop. Oh wait, it's a whistle.
Yeah, that's what I said
Wait, what did you say there?
at the beginning.
Bro, I cooked it. I was like, how are you gonna share this one? Oh, it's a lolly whistle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sharing that with you. It don't even work! After trying all of the goodies from the TokyoTreat box, I would say in terms of value, because it's coming from overseas, it's actually like pretty decently priced, I would say. What do you think about the price?
The price is good because it lets you try out like a lot of things at once that you can't like fly over and get and come back. I feel like a lot of items can be hit or miss because it's not catered towards you but just what they put in the subscription box. A lot of the snacks, it could be good to other people but it wasn't as good to us as we would hope for it to be.
A lot of it was a bit too sweet for my liking, which is actually shocking because we're Aussie but we have an Asian background and I would have assumed that a lot of Asian sweets were not as sweet as Western desserts, so I was like a bit shocked. But other than that, I think it's great value for money. The packaging is cute, and if you're wanting to try something new, especially with Asian snacks, definitely give this one a go. That's a wrap to our TokyoTreat unboxing and taste test. Thank you for watching. Bye.